Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit a loop video for TikTok which will gain a million views using CapCut. So maybe you'll find on TikTok you'll find a loop video where you don't know where is the end and also the beginning of the video, so you kind of watch it a few times, and I'm going to show you how you can make one to get a million views on TikTok. So first you need to go to CapCut and edit your video, then just go to the end of the video and click on the last video and split. You can just split in everywhere. Then after that, drag the last part of the video into the beginning. Then after that, you are done. You can just export and then upload it to TikTok, and your video will have that loop and which the viewers won't know where is the end and also the beginning. Okay, so that's a simple tip from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.